Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer waveform edits from Audacity to Premiere step by step clearly. Open your project in Audacity. Make sure the audio track you want to edit is selected. Apply any necessary edits to your audio. If needed, use the cut, copy, or trim tools to adjust your audio. Once the edits are complete, go to the File menu. Select Export. Choose Export as WAV or Export as MP3, depending on your preference. Name your file and choose a location to save it. Click Save. In the Export window, adjust any settings if necessary. Click OK to finalize your export. Now, open your project in Adobe Premiere Pro. Import the audio file you just exported from Audacity. Navigate to the media browser or use the Import option. Locate the saved audio file. Select the file and click Import. Drag the audio file onto your timeline. Align the audio with your video footage as needed. Preview the edited audio to ensure everything is in sync. Make additional adjustments in Premiere if necessary. Save your project to keep all changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.